We were product testing again and I'm so nervous. $30 for 50 minutes and it's nectar. And I lied again and said I liked nectar. Got here, I'm like 10 minutes early, but does anyone else get so nervous for these things that they could literally pee? I'm so scared. Oh, I'm not supposed to put perfume things on. I'm gonna wipe that off. It went very well. It took 25 minutes. I made $30. Don't mind if I do, bitches. You wanna see the proof? Let me see. Can I show you? So you go in, you get a number, you sit at a like booth with like a little bit of privacy. They pass you these samples, you try them, answer a couple questions, and you're out of there for $30.